Ever wondered how to solve Leetcode problems step by step? Well, ponder no more. Welcome to another episode on AI Creator, where today we unravel the fascinating world of Leetcode. First, we must comprehend what Leetcode is. Picture a platform that offers an array of coding challenges tailored to enhance your programming skills. It caters to all, from the coding novice to the coding pro. Next, we delve into the Leetcode platform. You'll learn how to set up an account, explore the cornucopia of problem categories, and select a difficulty level that complements your skill level. Now that we're well versed with the platform, it's time to get our hands dirty. We'll tackle a Leetcode problem, a beginner-friendly one, and go through the entire process. From deciphering the problem statement to drafting, testing, and debugging your code, you'll be taken through each step meticulously. As a novice, it's completely normal to face obstacles. So, we'll share some nuggets of wisdom that will help you tackle Leetcode problems with aplomb. From managing your time effectively to recognizing common coding patterns, these tips will help you navigate the coding seas with ease. Before we conclude, we'll recap what we've learned. Remember, solving Leetcode problems is a skill that gets better with practice. Challenge yourself and code regularly. The more you code, the better you get. And that's it for today's tutorial on solving Leetcode problems for beginners. If you found this video useful, have queries, or want to suggest topics for future videos, drop them in the comments section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Here's to happy coding and see you in the next video.